Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and merciful. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the learning session through Virtual Training Center of Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai. Dear students, from this session, we'll start preparation for scholarship examination. So let's begin our session. This session is for Standard 8 and today we'll see a scholarship exam syllabus for English subject. A scholarship exam is not like a regular school-based test. It is a specially designed piece of assessment to determine a student's level of ability and intellectual prowess. On the basis of guidelines provided by Maharashtra State Council of Examination, you can prepare for such exams and give yourself the best chance for success. Let's try to understand scholarship exam pattern. There are two papers, paper 1 and paper 2. Paper 1 consists of two subjects, first language and maths. In first language, number of questions will be 25 and marks 50. In maths, number of questions 50 and marks 100. So total number of questions 75 and total number of marks is 150, and you will get 1 hour 30 minutes to solve the paper. Now paper 2. It consists of two subjects, third language, that is English. Here you will get 25 questions and marks 50. Second is intelligence test. Number of questions 50 of 100 marks. So the total number of questions 75 and total number of marks is 150. To solve the paper, you will get 1 hour 30 minutes. और आज के इस सेशन में हम थर्ड लैंग्वेज इंग्लिश के सिलेबस को जानने की कोशिश करेंगे. तो आप तैयार हैं इसके लिए? आइए आगे बढ़ते हैं. Unit number 1 is vocabulary. Vocabulary refers to the words we know to communicate effectively. Vocabulary means knowing more and more words and using them in day-to-day life in school and outside the school. Certainly, it plays an important role in teaching and learning process. Learning the words with context and use of dictionary helps to enrich our vocabulary. So, एक अच्छा ज़ख़ीरा अल्फाज होना हमारे पास बहुत ज़रूरी है ज़बान को रवानी से अदा करने के लिए. आइए देखते हैं यूनिट नंबर 1 वोकैबुलरी में कौन सी सब यूनिट्स हैं. One point 1 is writing words using given clues. 1.2 is writing contextual meaning of words. 1.3 opposite and similar meaning words. 1.4 word formation. 1.5 homophones. 1.6 Phrases. 1.7 is writing one word, substitute for the clue provided. 1.8 Guessing the meaning of word. So this is unit number 1, vocabulary. And now let's see unit number 2. Unit number 2 is word puzzles. Word puzzles, riddles are games through which students can enrich vocabulary with playway method. It creates interest in teaching learning process. It's like a game actually. Word puzzles जो हैं बहुत छोटी जमात से हम करते रहे हैं मुख्तलिफ शक्लों में और students को ये पसंद भी हैं. So you can learn new words as well as learn to apply them in spoken and written form. Now let's see what are the subunits. Crosswords, puzzles, riddles, and second subunit is grid. So this unit is quite interesting and I'm sure you will love to do this. Unit number 3 is language study. Language study is important to develop language skills. It will be useful and helpful in written and spoken form. Now let's see what are the subunits. 3.1 Sentence formation, 3.2 Types of sentences, and 3.3 Parts of speech. 3.4 is modal auxiliaries. 3.5 tenses. And now unit number 4, it's grammar, transformation of sentences. Subunits are active passive voice, direct indirect speech, degree. And unit number 5 is creative thinking. Creative thinking is one of the important skills in language learning process. It will give an opportunity to you to express your ideas. Now let's see what are the subunits in creative thinking. Short note, dialogue, slogans, advertisements. In creative thinking, more subunits are there. News, email, websites, and SMS language. Unit number 6, reading skills. In reading skills, prose of 70 to 80 words will be given. Questions will be asked based on that prose and you have to answer the questions. Miscellaneous means a collection or group. Similar words are mixed, various, different, assorted. So let's see what are the subunits in miscellaneous: clock and games. So this is your English scholarship exam syllabus. Let's revise it. vocabulary, word puzzles, language study, grammar, transformation of sentences, creative thinking, reading skills, and miscellaneous. So this is the syllabus. Most of the things you have studied from standard 1st till date. Many new things we'll learn this year inshallah, and from next session we'll try to solve various types of questions based on these units. So hard work is key of success. That's it for today. We'll meet in the next session inshallah.